Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are simplifying algebraic operations using real life examples. Stick around to understand these concepts in the easiest way possible. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm MWAcademy1 and today we are going to make algebraic operations super simple by relating them to everyday situations. We'll also learn how to identify like and unlike terms. Ready? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about like and unlike terms. Suppose in a bowl we have 5 apples and in a different bowl we have 2 oranges. If we combine the both fruits in a single bowl and I ask you how many apples are there in the bowl, will you answer 7 or 5? Obviously, the apples would be 5 and there wouldn't be any change in the quantity of the apples. Similarly, if I ask you how many oranges are there in the bowl, still the oranges would be 2 and there wouldn't be any change in the quantity of the oranges because apples and oranges are two different fruits. So we can't consider them the same. But if I ask you the total number of fruits, then the result would be 7 as they both are fruits. Similarly, in algebra, we have different variables. For example, 5x plus 2y can't be added together as the both terms contain the two different variables x and y. They both are variables but they are different variables, so we consider them as unlike terms. Now for like terms, assume that Nadia has bought 2 boxes of chocolates. In each box there are 9 chocolates. How many chocolates are there altogether? As the chocolates are the similar commodity, so we can add them together and the result would be 9 plus 9 equals to 18. Identically, in algebra, if we have the following terms 8z plus 5z, so it can be added together as they are like terms because they both are having the same variables raised to the same power. Now for more details, let's have a look on the definition. Like terms are terms in algebraic expressions that have the same variables raised to the same powers. In other words, terms are considered like terms if they are identical except for their coefficients. For example, in the expression 3x plus 2y minus 5x plus 4, 3x and minus 5x are like terms because they both have the variable x raised to the power of 1, whereas unlike terms are terms in algebraic expressions that either have different variables or have the same variables raised to the different powers. Unlike terms cannot be combined directly through addition or subtraction. For example, in the expression 3x square minus 5x. In this expression, 3x square and minus 5x are unlike terms because they have the same variable x but raised to different powers, x square and x power 1. Now I'm gonna give you some expressions and you have to identify the like and unlike terms. So the first one is 3y square minus 5y plus 2z plus 9z, and the second is 8z square minus 3z square. That's it for today. We have learned how to identify like and unlike terms and we have used real life examples to understand addition and subtraction. In our upcoming videos, we'll discuss the remaining algebraic operations and discover each of these operations in more detail one by one. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to address them. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from it. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the fascinating world of algebra. Assalamu alaikum.